Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the 89 Garage. The other day I walked out here to the mailbox. Got a pretty sweet surprise. Well, not a surprise, but pretty sweet gift. I'm just gonna check it in real quick while I'm thinking about it. Alright, I'll throw that away for you. So, I don't know what it's been, 2 months ago, a month ago, one of my early videos of the season. I think it was actually the video that I was getting this thing ready for the All Ford show. The 89 is what I'm talking about. And I had an issue with the AC check valve that's held onto the firewall with a screw. Well, I freaking broke it. I tried to glue it and it broke. Then I tried to plastic weld it. So failure all over the place. I had a subscriber reach out to me and told me he had one that I could have if I was interested. Yep, I am. He's well known as Fox Fan 89, and he hooked me up. Now Ford doesn't sell this thing anymore where it mounts on the firewall, so I'm actually gonna try to fashion something to mount it up on the firewall. Because why? Well, I don't want it to fall down and melt on something. So I have some zip ties that have the eyelet on it. I'm gonna try that first. I think it'll work pretty well actually. So the big side, I don't know if you can read that, it says vac for the vacuum source. I'm gonna pop the hood on the 89 and we'll check this thing out. Show you what I'm talking about, refresh your memory, all that business. And that's, I keep hitting that. It's right there. And mine is barely hanging on. See, I'll just, it's barely hanging on. It's like ready to bust. I'm gonna get my screwdriver, pull that out, see what I can fashion with a zip tie with an eyelet. I just actually got invited to a car show tonight at 5 o'clock. However, I need to be at the Salt Lake airport at 5:30, so that's probably not gonna happen since the car show starts at 5. Yeah, dang it. All right, let me show you what's up here, guys. This is the factory one, and it did break when I took it apart. Taking the screw out, this thing just came right off the back. Didn't really get that deep into it when I welded it. So there they are, side by side. As you can tell, really the only difference is this one's got the screw hole. It's got the mount on it, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna have to fashion something around this, and I need to, somehow that screw is stuck in there. I need to get that screw out. That's what I come up with. We're gonna have a little bit of a problem trying to get that gap right there, because you know, this is gonna be touching the firewall before this. So I'm just gonna put the screw in, see what it looks like. Woohoo! I don't know. We'll see. Looks like we got a storm brewing here, guys. All right, not real happy with it. So I got some other bits and pieces here. I'm gonna see if I can space it out a little bit. It's coming right along though. I do like the way it looks, however, I just want it to sit not like that. I guess I'm a little bit weird in this regard. I just wanted it to look factory. But boy, I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Let me show you. Check on that, guys. That looks fairly factory. So I just wound up funny is I don't know why, but when I get those mount your TV kits, you know, I never throw away all the spare change that comes in them, all the bolts and nuts and everything. I always just hang on to them. Those two plastic washers are actually to space the bracket on the back of a TV, you know, when you're hanging on the wall. Anyway, that's what that is, and it worked out absolutely perfect by putting one of those in there, and it looks the part. So thank you once again. That is now the third thing that I've received from a subscriber. What else have I received from subscribers? Okay, this came from FoxFan89. So thank you very much, FoxFan89. I also want to give a shout out, just in case I didn't before, because it's been a while and sometimes my thinker doesn't remember things. That plate right there came from Noobs. That plate right there came from Bill, also known as AK. And that also came from Noobs. Thank you very much, my fans, my subscribers. It's very much appreciated to have your support for the channel, my hobby, which is also your hobby. And thanks again, guys. And until next time, peace out, ta-ta. See you on the next epi.